This is David with Northwest Classic Auto Mall. I'm here with Wayne. Wayne is the owner-operator of Injector Masters. I saw you giving some demonstrations earlier, Wayne.
Hi, David.
Can you give me a demonstration?
Well, let's see. I got it going right here, right now. What we are doing is we are flow testing this dirty set of injectors. This is a Ford 4-liter injector, V6. And what we're looking for is the balance within that set. So after they're done flowing, we're gonna hit that button one more time, and we're gonna let these run. We're gonna look for our lowest injector and compare it to our highest injector. And this is again assessing balance or flow match within an injector set. Atomization and fuel delivery is critical. Balance is another critical facet. So we've got spray patterns and we've got volume that we're watching at this particular point. We put these through some other tests, leak testing, electrical testing. We'll go through a group of testing. We'll create a report. Right now you're watching the flow testing.
I'm getting tired from walking around looking at all these car parts. You could say that I'm, well, exhausted.